Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about how you can fix your Samsung TV screen flickering issues. Let's begin. Now primarily there are three ways you can go about this issue. I am on the Samsung homepage, and as you can see here, we will be able to identify the three methods by which you can go ahead and solve your screen flickering issue. So first and foremost, what you can do is check the antenna and signal information. Make sure that your cable wire or your antenna wire is properly inserted into the TV socket and into your TV itself. Make sure that your antenna is working properly. Make sure the back channel for your antenna is also stable with good connection. Secondly, the second way you can ensure that there is no screen flickering is to check your HDMI cable connection. Make sure that the wire is not loose, make sure the wire is not damaged, and ensure that you have a decent connection. And third, last, we have a very specific way of making sure your screen stops flickering. It is to check for software updates. Every once in a while, your Samsung TV will need an update. Make sure you have updated, as that can be the problem by which your TV screen is flickering. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.